How to add photo on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to add photo on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on the setting icon. Once you click on it, you can see the option for your profile. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the option for edit profile info. Tap on it. To add photo on your account, just simply click on profile icon. Now click on choose photo. Now browse to the photo that you want to keep as profile picture. Once you select it, now click on the check mark. Now tap on done. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add photo on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.